Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for clicking on today's video. If you're still a subscriber of mine, thank you for sticking around. I've been away for a little over 3 months, which is very long. And the only reason for that was that I'm waiting for my studio to set up. This is not my studio, but this is gonna have to work until I get my studio, which will be in the next month or so. And I cannot leave you guys hanging without a video for that long. If you're hearing any echo, I apologize for that. Let's jump into the video. I want to do a bright eye look today, a more pastel eye. I don't think I've ever done a pastel eye on my channel, so I'm going to be using the JAWBREAKER palette from JEFFREE. I recently picked this up because the colors in here are amazing. I really like the color. I mean, look, on camera it looks so good. I really hope this lighting is not shitty, but I want to use some pastels in here for today's look. So we're going to use the purples and blues. I'm going to go ahead and prime the eyes using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, because I tested a few shadows out from the palette using the concealer and it worked pretty well. Holy shit, let me go do my brows real quick. I actually used something I've never used ever before. This is Iconic London cushion, brow cushion. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like on the inside. And I pretty much used both colors, kind of mixed it. I've never used a brow product quite like this ever before. I'm used to pencils and dip brows, but not the cushion thing. And I think they came out pretty decent. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape to prime the lids. I'm gonna go in with my E25 brush from Sigma, and for the first shade I'm going in with is gonna be a Gumdrop, which is this what do we call this? Pastel purple. I'm gonna pat that right on the outer part of the eye. Go ahead and do both sides. Gonna go in with my color switch and clean this brush because I want to use the same brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade, which is the pastel blue in the palette, and we're gonna hit that right next to this purple. As you can see, I'm patting this on. We're gonna blend in a minute, overlapping that purple shade just a little bit. And don't worry if you lose a little bit of that purple, we're gonna go back in after we start blending. There's quite a bit of fallout in the palette, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So there's quite a bit of fallout, but it doesn't bother me, you guys know this. So we're gonna keep moving. Clean my brush again. I'm gonna go in with Bubble Gum. So that's this pastel pink raw here, and we want to hit that on the inner part of the eye. Going in with a clean brush, we're going to start diffusing the edges of these shadows. I'm going with the first shade that we use, which is the purple, which is called Gumdrop. Gonna use a little bit of that in freeze, and I'm tapping that because I want it to get pigmented again. And then with whatever is left back on the brush, I'm gonna blend over on top and into the purple. Okay, so that's what the eyes are looking like. Gonna go in with some makeup remover wipes. Quickly clean up under my eye. Just a little bit. That's why I did not prime. Let me go ahead real quickly and put a liner on. This is from the brand Beauty for Real. I got this in a BoxyCharm. Thinking if I should don't do a wing. Yeah, let's not do a wing. I literally was shaking it like that and stuff started flying all over the place. Thank God I didn't get enough. I'm going with my primer. I've been loving this primer lately. This is the No Pore Blend Primer from Touch in Soul. My favorite primer. Then I'm going to use a mixture of foundations. I'm going to use the Neutrogena Healthy Mix and my Fenty. So it's Fenty's 350 and in the Neutrogena I'm in the shade Honey. So I'm going to go in with probably like a pump and a half of the Fenty. With the Fenty I'm going to get more coverage, and that's why I'm mixing the Fenty in between. Fenty is one of my favorite foundations, and lately the Healthy Mix Serum has become another favorite. Where's my beauty blender? So I'm going to be taking a wet or damp beauty blender and blend this out. Going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to be trying I have a sample of the Fenty powder. This is in the shade Honey. I'm going to try a little bit of this today to set under the eyes and wherever else I just concealed. Is it? I guess the Fenty powder is not bad. I think this shade is too dark for me to set concealer with, but it's gonna be fine. I hope it doesn't look darker on the outside. I mean, like in daylight. So I'm gonna use these lashes today. I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on them to get them tacky. I'm gonna use this glue from Lash Exo. Oh God, I don't know if you guys seeing it. But I think they're like, I'm not sure if they're by the company House of Lashes or if they're like a dupe for the House of Lashes glue. But this is the lashes I'm going to use. I don't know the brand, don't ask, because I literally had this in my bathroom. Yes, you heard me. I have makeup all over the place. Downstairs, upstairs, bathroom, closet. Because like I said, studio in process, so everything is still like in packaging phase. It's sad, but you know, it is what it is. Put that there to dry. Get the other one. I'm just doing this so it gets tacky. You do not want to put glue on your lashes and then put them straight on your eyes, because they're gonna slip and slide all over the place. So you definitely need them to be tacky. And in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and finish off the lower lashes. So first color we used was a Gumdrop. So we're going to go ahead and hit that right here, and you want to connect it to the top. So please connect your shadows. I'm going in with a small blending brush. This one is from Morphe. This is the M507, and I'm just gonna lightly blend that lower lash line. I'm gonna blend everything in. Okay, this mascara is new. This is the Power Up mascara from Butter London, and I'm gonna just hit that right there. And this is a little too big for the lower lash line, but okay, it's alright. I'm not really a mascara person anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze the face. My MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a little bit of bronzing. Not too crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lashes on if I can find my tweezers. My Laura Geller pink blush. This one is a baked blush. Since the eye has a little bit of pink, definitely need to go in a little bit of pink blush. This one is kind of like, you can see it has like a sheen to it. I'm going with this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is one of the Zodiac highlighters. Don't ask me the name. I accidentally ripped the sticker off, so I don't know what the name is. But it's like the golden one. Okay, I'm gonna just go over the lash band really quickly with the same felt tip liner, just like that. Okay, I need a pink lip for this. This is ColourPop Scrooge liquid lipstick. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Snack from this palette. Take the same brush, or you know what, just take this brush. Take the shade Snack. I just wanted to lighten up this lip a little bit, since this is like an all pastel look. The shade Snack in the palette, which is the shade right here above the yellow, and I just put it over my lipstick because the eyes are so pastel. I think the lip color was a little too dark, and it was kind of throwing the whole look off. So I'm gonna go with our Fix Plus. And just dry that out real quick. Everything is hurting. My back, my ass, my legs, which is freaking like numb. Oh, by the way, if you haven't noticed, I did cut my hair. I put some layers in my hair because yeah, the hair I had before was looking boring to hell. So I definitely needed something different. But let me zoom you guys in so you can see what the eyes and the lips are looking like. I actually really like the lip. I don't know if these eyeshadows are meant for the lips or if they could go on the lips, but I put it on. You do it at your own risk. So this is what the eyes are looking like. Lip is looking like what the shadow says, a snack. Oh yeah, that's definitely a snack right there. A little bit above the brow. Again, this look was made using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I really love the shadows. They blend pretty well. There is a bit of fallout in some of the shades, but that's okay as long as they perform good on the eye, and that they did. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to leave your comments or feedback down below in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll catch you guys in another one.